Hi there, I'm Steve.
And I'm Brad, and we're going to show you how to install these great risers for your steps. Now the tools you're going to need for this installation are
Caulk gun, scraper, construction adhesive, rubber mallet, tape measure, painter's tape, a square, and a straight edge.
This is the box your risers will come in. They come in 7 pieces to a box. You open it up, they're nicely stacked right in there.
Ready to be cut and installed. Now let's measure the risers. Let's measure the width. 36 on the bottom, 36 on top. Now let's measure the height. Looks to be 5 1/4. Measure each one because each riser can be different.
So now we're going to apply those measurements to this riser.
We had 36 inches. Make a little pencil mark. Some painter's tape.
Now the painter's tape is good because it'll help keep down shatter from the blade.
Remark. 36. Use a square. Cut. And now we can cut it to that size. Now that it's cut the length,
We're going to add the measurements for the height.
which was 5 1/4. Again, we're going to use painter's tape. Go over the line roughly in the middle. Lay your measurements down, 5 1/4. 5 1/4. Straight edge. Brad, we can hold that in. And there we go, ready to be cut. Now that it's cut, we're going to do a dry fit, make sure it fits. Might need a rubber mallet just to get it into place. Looks good.
So we're happy with the way the dry fit fits, so we're going to add some construction adhesive for the install.
I like to use 10 little rounds. And then we just gotta push that right into place. Now that it's glued, let's install it. Use a rubber mallet, get it into place. Wipe off any excess glue. Looks pretty good. Great, now that it's in, we're gonna follow the same steps for each riser going up.